See eye to eye. To agree with someone. Example: two people discussing a plan and then nodding in agreement, saying, "We see eye to eye on this." Big mouth. Someone who talks too much or reveals secrets. Example: a character accidentally revealing a surprise party. Hit the books. To start studying. Example: a student sitting down at a desk and opening a book to prepare for an exam. Hit it off. To quickly become good friends with someone. Example: two people meeting for the first time, laughing, and getting along. Hit the hay. To go to bed. Example: a tired person saying, "I'm exhausted, time to hit the hay," and going to sleep. Hit the lights. To turn off the lights. Example: someone saying, "I'll hit the lights," and turning them off when leaving a room. Hit the town. To go out and have fun, usually in the city. Example: a group of friends saying, "Let's hit the town tonight," and going out for a night of fun. Cold fish. Someone who is unemotional or distant. Example: a person standing off to the side while others are engaging in conversation. Busy bee. Someone who is always working or busy. Example: a person juggling tasks, working on multiple projects at once. Couch potato. Someone who spends a lot of time sitting and watching TV. Example: a person lounging on a sofa, binge-watching shows with snacks nearby. Nail biter. A tense situation or someone who is nervous. Example: a character watching a football game intensely, biting their nails as the final score is revealed. Hit the bottle. To start drinking alcohol, especially heavily. Example: someone saying, "It's been a rough day, time to hit the bottle," and pouring themselves a drink. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.